Imagine if building a car, which once took 10 to 12 hours, could now be done in just 90 seconds. It sounds like something out of a sci-fi movie, but it's a reality, and Elon Musk Tesla has made it happen. Recently, Tesla unveiled its new 50,000-ton Gigapress machine, which is so large and powerful that it can cast an entire car's body in one go. This machine doesn't assemble parts, but molds them as if they were being manufactured in a toy factory. It's said to be the secret weapon Tesla is using to produce its new, affordable, and futuristic models in record time. Elon Musk claims this machine will usher in a new era of speed and perfection. But the real mystery is this. How does this Gigapress machine work? And what technology has Tesla incorporated into it that allows it to perform what used to take hours and minutes? Before proceeding with the video, subscribe to the channel to be the first to see such exciting revelations. If you're wondering what this Gigapress is, understand it as the world's largest and most powerful molding machine. Tesla specifically designed it to surpass the old, slower methods of car manufacturing. Previously, a car's entire frame was made in many small parts that had to be assembled later. Each part was molded separately, followed by a lengthy process of welding, fitting, and adjustment. But now, this Gigapress eliminates all those hassles. This machine is so powerful that it can generate a pressure of approximately 50,000 tons. Imagine enough force to flatten a mountain beneath it. Using this pressure, the machine pours molten aluminum into a special mold and creates a complete car frame in a matter of seconds. The resulting frame is not in multiple parts as before, but in one solid piece. This is its most significant feature. Elon Musk calls this machine a machine that builds a machine because it's a machine that builds machines. This means it doesn't build cars itself, but rather streamlines the entire process, allowing for faster and more accurate production. Tesla has carefully designed it to ensure every car frame is identical and incredibly strong. It's equipped with numerous automated sensors and computer systems that monitor temperature and pressure every second to ensure no frame malfunctions. The Gigapress's size is so massive that it resembles a building. A single part weighs dozens of tons, and the entire machine occupies the equivalent of a factory. Building it wasn't easy. Tesla worked with an Italian company for several years. Ultimately, this machine achieved what no one had ever done before. Previously, building a car used to take hours and hundreds of workers. Now, with this machine, the same task can be accomplished in a matter of minutes. This has increased Tesla's production speed exponentially and significantly reduced costs. This means Tesla can now produce more cars in less time and offer them to people at a cheaper price. This is why this machine is being called the backbone of the auto industry of the future. When the Gigapress operates, the entire floor shakes. The temperature inside the machine reaches hundreds of degrees, allowing the metal to completely melt. It then enters a mold, and a few seconds later, a new frame emerges that is absolutely smooth and strong. This process involves no joints or welding, making Tesla cars more durable and lighter than ever before. Currently, Tesla is using this Gigapress on cars like the Model Y and Cybertruck, but in the future, it will also be used in new, smaller, and cheaper cars. Elon Musk's dream is that one day entire factories will be run solely by machines with humans only monitoring them. This machine has taken the first step in that direction. History from the first Gigapress to this new 50,000-ton machine. The history of Tesla's Gigapress is an exciting journey that has shaken the entire auto industry. When Elon Musk first proposed the idea, no one imagined that car manufacturing would change so rapidly. It all began in 2019 when Tesla first used the Gigapress for the Model Y. At the time, its capacity was approximately 6,000 tons. At the time, it was considered the world's largest die-casting machine. This machine allowed the Model Y's rear end, which previously had to be assembled from many smaller parts, to be created in one go. That single decision catapulted Tesla's production speed to new heights. Whereas it previously took several hours to build a car's body structure at Tesla's factory, the Gigapress completed the task in minutes. This resulted in reduced costs for Tesla, stronger and lighter cars, and increased production exponentially. Elon Musk stated that this machine would be a game-changer for the entire auto industry, not just a molding system. Then came the next step. Tesla developed a 9,000-ton and then a 12,000-ton press machine. Each new machine was larger and more powerful than the previous one. These new machines began producing both the front and rear parts of a car simultaneously. Welding was virtually eliminated. It was then that Tesla engineers realized that if the machine's capacity was further increased, the entire car frame could be produced in one go. This idea gave birth to the new 50,000-ton Gigapress machine, the largest and most powerful molding machine ever built. Its size is so large that it appears as if a factory is inside a factory. This machine is 3 times larger and faster than its predecessor. Thanks to its new hydraulic system and advanced cooling technology, it can produce an entire car frame in just 90 seconds. Previously, Tesla's 6,000-ton press would take approximately 3 to 4 minutes to cool and prepare a frame. But now, the same task is completed in a matter of moments. The technology used in this machine is also unique. It features thousands of sensors that monitor temperature, pressure, and metal flow at all times. This ensures a precise and strong frame every time. This new machine was developed by Idra Group, a renowned Italian company that collaborated with Tesla for years of research and development. Elon Musk has called it the biggest manufacturing innovation in Tesla's history. Tesla's new 50,000-ton press has now taken the company to a new level. Musk says this machine will be used in Tesla's upcoming vehicles such as a Model 2 and robotaxi. This will not only make production cheaper and faster, but also make the cars lighter, more durable, and more economical. How it works. 90 seconds of magic. If you're curious about how Tesla's Gigapress works, the entire process begins with melting aluminum. Inside the factory, aluminum is heated to approximately 700 degrees Celsius in a massive furnace until it completely liquefies. This process is called molten aluminum. This metal is so hot that even a drop of water falling on it instantly turns into steam. Then begins the real magic of the Gigapress. This molten metal is slowly fed through a pipeline system into the machine's mold chamber. This mold is pre-cooled and kept at a balanced temperature so that the metal takes a desired shape upon entering. As soon as the molten aluminum reaches a mold, the Gigapress activates its hydraulic system. The machine now generates approximately 50,000 tons of pressure. This is so intense that the metal penetrates every corner and crevice to form a precise shape. This is why the frames of Tesla cars are so strong and durable. This entire process is monitored by thousands of sensors installed inside the machine. These sensors constantly monitor the temperature, pressure, and speed of the aluminum flow. If any errors occur, the system automatically corrects them. All this happens within seconds. Once the mold is filled, the machine immediately activates a cooling system to quickly cool and harden the metal. This cooling is so rapid that the molten aluminum transforms into a solid frame within seconds. The machine slowly opens the mold, revealing the entire car frame created in one solid piece. Previously, this task was accomplished by joining hundreds of smaller parts. But now, the Gigapress creates it in one go. Seeing this, a smile comes on the faces of the engineers standing in the factory because every time the frame that comes out is absolutely perfect. A robotic arm then picks up the frame and sends it to the next station where it's quality checked. Here, scanners and cameras inspect every inch for cracks or defects. If everything is correct, the frame goes straight to the car assembly line where the remaining parts such as doors, windshields, batteries, and interiors are installed. The most remarkable thing about the entire process is that it requires no human intervention. Every step is controlled by machines and computer systems. The entire process is completed in just 90 seconds. Imagine where it used to take 2 to 3 hours to build a car structure. The same task is now completed in just 1.5 minutes. The greatest strength of this system is that it produces every frame with the same quality. Whether the machine is working for the first time or the 1,000th time, each frame comes out identical and precise. This is what sets Tesla cars apart from other companies. Elon Musk says this 90-second magic connects Tesla to the factories of the future. This machine is not only fast but also extremely precise. Every part of it is designed to leave no room for error. This is why Tesla has now become the world's most advanced car manufacturing company. The frames produced by the Gigapress are lighter, stronger, and better for the environment because they use less material and less energy. Technology. What new technologies has Tesla incorporated into it? Tesla's Gigapress isn't just a large machine, but its technology is what sets it apart from other machines. This machine is so advanced that it can think and make decisions on its own. Elon Musk has added several new systems that have never been seen in a car manufacturing unit before. Most significant is its AI-controlled robotics system. This system monitors every part of the machine. As soon as a fault occurs, the AI immediately recognizes it and automatically corrects it. This advantage is that the possibility of error in any molding process is virtually eliminated. This is why every frame is made with perfect precision, and the quality of Tesla cars remains consistent. Another significant advantage is its temperature sensors. When aluminum is melted and fed into the mold, maintaining the correct temperature is crucial. If the metal gets too cold, it won't expand properly, and if it gets too hot, it can damage the mold. To address this issue, Tesla has installed thousands of sensors that measure the temperature every second and adjust it as needed. These sensors monitor every point to ensure the metal remains perfectly balanced. The third technology is a vacuum casting system. This system ensures that no air bubbles remain inside the molten aluminum mold. Trapped air can cause small cracks in the frame, weakening the car's strength. Vacuum casting first removes all air pressure from the mold and then pours the metal in, ensuring every corner is completely filled. The result is a perfectly smooth and solid car body that lasts for years. The fourth and most important technology is the real-time pressure control system. When the Gigapress produces 50,000 tons of pressure, controlling the pressure every second is not easy. Tesla has developed a special hydraulic system for this purpose, which monitors the pressure every second and increases or decreases it as needed. This ensures that every part of the mold receives equal pressure and the entire frame is equally strong. This gives Tesla unmatched accuracy, as other companies have not yet been able to control pressure with such precision. In addition to all this, Tesla has made this machine completely automated. This means that human involvement in the entire process is minimal. The machine itself monitors every step, manages temperature and pressure, and when the frame is ready, a robotic arm lifts it out and sends it to the next station. The entire system operates like a synchronized orchestra where every part performs perfectly in its place. Time revolution. How hours of work turned into minutes. The car-making process used to be very long and complex. It used to take not just hours, but sometimes entire days to assemble a car. Each car's frame consisted of thousands of small parts that were assembled through welding, fitting, and adjustments. Hundreds of workers stood in a single line in the factory assembling the individual parts. This traditional system was called an assembly line. Even a single mistake would halt the entire process, resulting in a slight difference in each car. But Tesla's Gigapress completely changed this old method. What used to take hours is now accomplished in a matter of minutes. Previously, Tesla cars required over 1,000 parts, requiring time and effort to fit each screw, bolt, and joint. The Gigapress has reduced this number to just a few components. This is because the machine casts large parts of the entire car in one go. While the rear, front frame, and center section were previously manufactured separately, these three parts are now produced in a single solid cast. This means less welding, less fitting, and significantly less manual work. The biggest benefit of this change is time and money savings. Previously, building a car required several hours and dozens of workers. Now, a few machines combined can accomplish the same task in a matter of minutes. With a Gigapress, Tesla can now assemble the entire structure of a car in just 90 seconds. This may sound unbelievable, but it's the reality today. This has increased Tesla's production capacity exponentially over time. Costs have also been significantly reduced. As the number of parts decreased, so did material consumption. There are no more screws or the need to join multiple sheets. This has also reduced the need for welding machines, adhesives, and assembly equipment. As a result, the production cost of each car has become significantly cheaper. This is why Tesla is now preparing to offer models at a lower price than before. In addition, this new technology has significantly reduced production errors. Previously, manual work was done manually, so sometimes mistakes in welding or fitting occurred. Now, when the entire frame is released from the mold in one go, the same perfect shape is achieved every time. This impacts both the quality and performance of the car. Elon Musk himself said that the Gigapress has transformed car manufacturing in the same way that mobile phones transformed the world of communications. Now, not only are cars being manufactured faster, but their design has also become stronger and lighter. This is why Tesla is now many steps ahead of other companies. Impact on Tesla cars. Which models will be built with the new machine? Tesla's new 50,000-ton Gigapress is set to form the backbone of the company's upcoming models. Elon Musk himself has repeatedly stated that this machine is a foundation of Tesla's affordable EV revolution. This means Tesla will now build cars that are not only high-tech, but also accessible to the general public. This machine will initially be used for the Tesla Model 2. This car is said to cost around $25,000 and can be built in just a few minutes. With the help of the Gigapress, its entire frame will be cast in one go, making it light, strong, and extremely economical. This is the step that will transform electric cars from the domain of the wealthy to the masses. Next comes the Cybertruck second generation. The first Cybertruck is already renowned for its design and power, but Musk now wants to make its next generation even more advanced. The new Gigapress will allow the entire frame to be constructed in a single piece, making the truck's body stronger and more durable. Furthermore, its production time will be reduced, allowing Tesla to manufacture it in greater quantities than before. The third major project is the Tesla robotaxi. This will be a driverless vehicle that will operate autonomously in cities. Elon Musk wants this model to be produced in fully automated factories where human involvement will be minimal. The Gigapress is the first major step in this direction, as it will allow machines to create the car's base structure themselves. Through these three projects, Tesla is ushering in a new era. Musk says that in the coming years, this technology will put Tesla miles ahead of all other automakers. It's not just a machine, but a weapon that has transformed the entire way cars are manufactured. The Gigapress has given every Tesla model the speed of the future, and it's clear that a new era of electric cars has begun. Global reaction. What companies and experts around the world are saying, Tesla's 50,000-ton Gigapress machine has shaken not just a company, but the entire global auto industry. When Elon Musk demonstrated it, engineers and auto experts from many major companies were stunned. China's renowned company BYD is now working on similar die-casting technology to increase the production speed of its electric models. Japan's Toyota has also openly stated that it will use large casting modules in its upcoming hybrid and electric cars. European companies like BMW and Volkswagen are exploring opportunities to partner with Tesla on this technology. Experts say this is a major turning point in the history of manufacturing, as it will completely transform the way cars are made. Previously, tasks performed by humans are now being performed by machines with much greater speed and precision. Some experts have even called it Industrial Revolution 2.0. Auto industry analysts in many countries believe that no company can rely solely on design or battery power. The real race now is manufacturing technology, and Tesla has taken the lead in this race. Companies like BYD, Hyundai, and Mercedes are using Tesla's Gigapress as a benchmark and are updating their factories so they can also produce car frames in minutes. This makes it clear that in the coming years, every major company will have to adopt Tesla technology. Now let's talk about the vision for the future. Elon Musk dreams that in the future Tesla's factories will be completely automated. This means that humans will only act as monitors while machines will handle all the other work. Robotic arms, AI control systems, and machines like the Gigapress will work together 24 hours a day non-stop. Sensors and cameras will monitor every part of the car to ensure that no mistakes are made. This system will utilize humans' thinking, not their replacements. Musk says that the factory of the future will be like a living organism recognizing and correcting its own mistakes. This vision may sound like something out of a science fiction film, but Tesla has begun to turn it into reality. In the coming years, when the Model 2 and robotaxi production lines are fully operational, the world will witness for the first time how thousands of cars can be manufactured without human hands. This will be the era when machines will become not just tools, but the power to transform human imagination into reality. This is a true glimpse into Tesla's future, a world where factories will think for themselves and cars will build themselves. This machine from Elon Musk is just beginning. What's to come will redefine the auto industry. So before continuing, subscribe to the channel to be the first to see such interesting and tech-packed videos. Don't forget to click the notification bell, because the next episode may reveal another Tesla.